Assalamu alaikum grade 4 students. Today we are going to finish our chapter number 3, which is about climate, and the last topic of our this chapter is what does the weather report say? In this topic we will study about the forecast, about the farmers, that how a weather report can help them, as well as the government and big companies, that what they plan according to the weather report, as well as we will study about the immense importance of weather report upon the lifestyle. Before I am going to start my today's topic, I just want to say that if you are new on my YouTube channel, please do subscribe it, as well as click on the bell icon, that you should know about the latest videos. So you should open your books, page number 23, and play my video that you should understand my topic well. Let's start our today's topic. What does weather reports say? Why do people look at weather reports and try to predict the weather? One reason may be that weather forecast can help people to protect themselves or their property. Like if farmers know that there will be no rain, they can arrange to water their crops. Keeping a record of the weather can help us to predict the weather and notice any patterns or changes about the weather. Government and big companies use weather reports to plan ahead. They need to make sure that demand for resources such as electricity, for example, can be met. We also use weather forecast to help us decide what to wear and whether to take an umbrella, a sun hat, a coat, or extra water with us when we go out. If there will be rainy day, so we will take umbrella. If there is sunny day, then we will take a sun hat. If there is a cold breezy day, then we will take a coat. And if there is a humid day, then we will take extra water with us. So these are the weather conditions that can be known about by the weather report. If we know that a big storm is coming, we can put away our things and make sure they are secure. We also need to know if our planned activities will be possible. For example, it is much nicer to have a sports day on a warm and sunny day, or we should go out and play sports in a cold and breezy day. So this is all about weather report or weather forecasting. Weather forecasting helps us to know about the weather, that in the coming days there will be rain or no, or will not. It helps us to protect ourselves as well as our property. It also helps us to know that our planned activities will be possible or not. So these are the advantages of weather report. So if you have any sort of question or you want to ask anything, you can ask me in Google Classroom in the comment section, as well as if you have any sort of question or confusion in any topic in the whole chapter, you can ask me in the Google Classroom and I will give you answer over there. Thank you very much.